What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Bnb. We don't save, we invest. We're going to talk about today three different stocks. We're going to talk about Pershing Holdings. It's a SPAC. We're going to talk about Airbnb and its IPO. And we're going to talk about Romeo, ticker symbol RMG. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving and a good Black Friday. Now it's back to business, guys. Time to make money. We don't save, we invest. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Show some love and support. It's your boy Reese. I appreciate all y'all. Share with some friends and family. And let's get it. RMG Acquisition Corp is a SPAC, Special Purpose Acquisition Company. Their whole purpose is to merge. And now RMG was founded in New York City in 2018, and they're still headquartered in New York. Now this company, their strategy is to combine with business, resources, materials, such as chemicals, energy services, and alternatives, environmental services, metals, and power. RMG is a company that has great potential. We're going to look at the stock chart. It did amazing last week, guys. And it has the potential to go up 5 to 15% weekly. See, this company is big into power, generational services, batteries and storage, wind, solar, hydro, gas-fired generation, and waste-to-energy. Now, we know with the new president-elect, he's big on EVs, and he's big on solar and hydro and all these different components, which is good for these companies, particularly this SPAC and other SPACs. Now, their energy services, their storage, energy processing, renewables, midstream infrastructure, specialty fluids, and environmental, solid waste management, hazardous waste collection and disposal, water and wastewater management. So this company, guys, is a great company to invest in. Now, we don't buy on green. We buy on the dip. So this company, put on your watch list. I'm going to purchase some shares. Keep your eye on this. Buy some. Make sure you leave a comment and let me know how many you bought or how many you plan to buy. All right? We in this together. Now, this company also is going to merge with Romeo Power Technology. Now, that company makes batteries for EV vehicles, lithium ion. Now, we know how important it is right now. And 2021 is the year of the battery, the EV to boom massively, guys. So keep your eye on that, right? So this company, if they make these batteries, all these EV cars have to have the battery. So we know that there's tons of money to be made. Now, every SPAC isn't going to be a winner. Every stock isn't going to be a winner, right? But we know that you can make money off of certain stocks, and the whole purpose for a SPAC. Now, with a SPAC, if it were to drop down, it only could go back to the share price of where it came from. So, I mean, we know that. And you can make a lot of money from different SPACs. Now, RMG can make you a lot of money, but I caution you to use cautious judgment. Do your due diligence, do your research, your homework, and check this out for yourself. The merger is going to take place in Q1 of 2021. Now, if we go to the stock chart and we look here, in the last, it's November 1st, October 31st, it was $10. Move up to the 13th, still 10. It consolidated trades, traded sideways. It didn't change. There was no fluctuations really, right? We hit a little bump right here. It went up to 10.85. Now look, guys. It shot up right here on the 26th of November. So it went from 11.88 to 14, traded sideways and popped. And it's currently sitting at $16.98. It went up 20%, almost 21%. This stock has great potential. Keep your eyes on it. Once again, it's in the EV realm and it's in renewable energy. It's in the solar. It's in different sectors, guys, that what this president-elect is big on. So that's key to remember, right? It's just like the switchback energy. It's just like, Neo stock and Tesla. They're all in the same bubble. So keep your eye on this, guys. Now, the next company we're going to talk about is Airbnb, and they're having their IPO next week. Airbnb is a home rental company. We know due to the pandemic, it has affected its company at a high level. Now, we got to remember, though, that this ain't going to be forever, right? Airbnb took a massive revenue hit due to COVID-19, but it will bounce back. Many people are switching from, staying at a hotel to staying in homes, right? To feel more at home, to feel more at ease, where compared to, tons of people in the hotel, and, it's a different environment. Being at home is amazing. So if you can travel and be at a home-ish feeling, that's great. Now, Airbnb has an upcoming stock IPO, and this could be massive, guys. I'm going to definitely be buying in this. You should definitely buy into Palantir. We see how that result so far is, and these other Neos of the world. And we have all these different companies that have taken off, right? That have knock out the swing ballpark home run, right? So this is another one that's going to be a long-term play, but you have to be patient and invest for the long term. Don't worry about the short-term gains. Airbnb is a home sharing platform, will benefit from people's fear of staying in hotels, face less resistance from embattled hotel chains, and attract more users as people rent out their homes for extra cash and travelers look for bargains. Airbnb is going to be massive. Staying in a stranger's house previously felt riskier than booking a hotel, someone says, but now people are feeling more, more secure, more safe renting somebody's home. And we know that the vaccines are coming out. The Pfizer, Moderna, Novavax. There's several vaccines coming out, and people are going to be vaccinated. So travel and business will go revenue, the airplane business, the cruise ship business, all these entertainment and fun businesses will grow because the vaccines will come out and people can do things and try to get back to normalcy. Now, Airbnb has no specific date yet, but it could go public sometime in December. Some are saying next week, some are saying mid-December, but just keep your eye on it, guys. Put that down in your notebooks, get your pen and papers, and keep your eye on that because it's going to be something special. Now, the last stock we're going to talk about is Pershing Holdings. Guys, Pershing Square Holdings is another SPAC. Now, Bill Ackerman is looking to, if you read up here, offer new hints on possible targets for his record-breaking SPAC. Pershing Square Holdings is family, employee-owned and family business. This is supposed to take off and do great. Now, I'm going to show you guys some of the stock and how it's been doing. $53 billion has been raised across 100 IPOs this year so far. Last year, only $13.6 billion raised. That's a huge jump. Pershing Square Holdings closed at $22.50 on Thursday, up from $20. Now, if we look here at Pershing Square Holdings, once again, it's a SPAC and it's out of New York City. If we go back for the 5 days, $24. We go back a month, $22. So we know that it's been trading sideways. A little, it went up here, little bull, little small bull run, right? Mini bull. Then it was a sell-off, but not much. And it's been trading sideways. So it's ready to pop. It's ready to pop. And their market cap is $5 billion. And we know that this company has great potential. Pershing Square Holdings is a corporation, organized blank check company formed for the purpose of effecting a merger, capital stock exchange, asset acquisition, stock purchase, reorganization, or similar business combination with a private company. Bill Ackerman's company, right? He will work closely with PSCM investment team and other employees of the PSCM to fulfill his corporate mission. This guy's a billionaire. He's the CEO of PSCM for 16 years. Pershing Square has not yet selected any specific business combination target, but he has plans that his company will take off. Well, once again, this is a SPAC. Keep your eye on it. Put it on your watch list. Ticker symbol PSTH. Pershing Square Holdings. I want you guys to remember that these companies can potentially make you a lot of money. Like there's the long view that Bill Gates is backing. There's Ideanomics. There's several companies that are going to do well that you have to get in now so you can make the tremendous profits. These companies have tremendous growth also, and they're cheap right now currently. Now this one is, you got to keep your eye on it. You can buy some shares, right? You test the water out and see how it does. And then if it goes to a point where you're comfortable, like, man, it's made me some money, then you know that you buy the dip. That's why you got to watch the earnings reports. You got to read the earnings reports, look at the stats, analysis, and give it an analysis give it an opinion of how you feel about the company and your outlook, and see where you want to be and where the company is going to go, what you think, right? So the companies that we talked about today is Romeo, RMG, IPO for Airbnb, which I hope everybody buys in that's watching and listening. Buy Airbnb when it IPO, initial public offering, takes place, guys. And we talked about Pershing Square Holdings. This company is kind of quiet, but it's going to be a big company. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, and let me know what companies you think could be better than these companies, and let me know how you feel, right? Hit me a like button, share with your friends, family, people in other states. If you got family and friends in other countries, share with them. Let's build my platform. Help me as I help you. I'm going to be showing my portfolio. We're going to go over a dividend portfolio and show you guys how to make tremendous money. And we're going to do a reflect of the companies that we've talked about previous videos, all right? Have a good rest of your day. Enjoy. We family. I love y'all. We out.